Universal Studios Singapore USS is a theme park located within the resort's World Sentosa, integrated resort at Sentosa in Singapore. Taking the bus to Resort World Sentosa from Imbiah Nature Trail is free. You must wait for a green go light before you cross off course. Universal Studios Singapore USS is a theme park located within the resort's World Sentosa, integrated resort at Sentosa in Singapore. It features 28 rides, shows, and attractions in its 7 themed zones. It is one of the 5 Universal Studios theme parks around the world. It is the second Universal Studios theme park in Asia, the other being Universal Studios Japan in Osaka, and the first in Southeast Asia. Official plans for the park were first unveiled to the public when Universal Studios Singapore released a map of the entire park on October 20th, 2009. Universal Studios Singapore attracted more than 2 million visitors in the 9 months from its opening. The park officially began operations on May 28, 2011. Over 3 million guests visited the park in its opening year. Since then, Universal Studios Singapore has had approximately 4 million visitors every year. Visitors are made up of local Singaporeans and international tourists. It has been marketed by Universal Destinations and experiences as a one-of-its-kind theme park in Asia, and that the park was the only one of its kind in Southeast Asia for the foreseeable future. According to the Ecom Theme Index Global Attraction Attendance Report, Universal Studios Singapore is one of the top visited amusement or theme parks worldwide. The construction of Resorts World Sentosa and Universal Studios Singapore began on April 19, 2008. After almost 2 years of construction, the park opened on March 18, 2010. Universal Studios Singapore was opened for Sneak Peek Week in view of the Chinese New Year celebrations from PM to PM every night between 14 and February 21, 2010. Though visitors had to pay SGD 10 to enter the park, even though rides were not operating, tickets for the week were sold out in 2 days. There's no doubt that Legos are universally enjoyed. They've been a part of many of our childhood MEMS, with tons of new collections like the Disney characters and Harry Potter sets that have been released over the years. It's a great activity to do with your friends and family, or if you want some chill downtime on your own. Vivo City Food Republic is comprising about 30 stalls and mini restaurants meticulously hand-picked for their traditional tastes and flavors. This 27,000 square foot food atrium offers nostalgic glimpses of life in the early 1900s. The interiors feature touches such as time-weathered floor tiles and memorabilia such as a Chinese sedan chair for some old-world charm. Vivo City is a big, lovely mall which is connected by cable cars, taxis, Sentosa Rail, and MIRTS. It houses the Broadwalk for Sentosa. The shopping mall houses many types of luxury brands and has a unique, superb outer building shape. Has McDonald's in the underground, which is connected to MIRTS. The Broadwalk is in the south corner near the Bay Area. Ideal place for shopping rich goods. If you want to spend some quality time with our loved one, I must say you must visit in a Viening the backside of the mall. Left and side place, amazing night sea view. Harborfront Vivo City is good as a one-stop destination for shopping. All brands under one roof. Don't expect a bargain deal at every store though. The restaurants on the roof with several small shops for local cuisine are not to be missed. This is all for now, guys. Thank you for watching.